Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you all are new. I hope you had a great productive day. Today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I do my perm set. I uploaded a photo to my Instagram like a couple days ago, and I took to my Insta story and I asked you guys if you wanted to see like what products I used or the method that I used that was best for me, and I got a lot of yeses. So here I am today showing y'all what's what. If this is your first time seeing me or visiting my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the family. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the two products that I'm gonna be using today are the Lotta Body with Milk and Honey leave-in conditioner along with the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. I used this for my last perm set, and y'all, I had the whole 9. So to make it easier on me, I'm just gonna stick to what I know. I also started out on stretched hair in my last set, and as you guys can see, I do have a braid in my hair, but the only difference between this one this time around is I've only been stretching my hair for about a day. My last perm set, I stretched my hair for like a week and a half, so hopefully that doesn't make too much of a difference. Next, of course, you're gonna be needing some perm rods. I just got my perm rods from my local beauty supply. They are the tangerine color, 3/4 of an inch by Diane, the Diane line. These are the ones that I'm going to be using. One of the most important parts of any set that you do, whether it's a perm rod set, a flexi rod set, bantu knots, is smoothness. So I'm gonna be using this brush along with a bristle brush to help keep my hair as smooth as possible. So I'm gonna start off by taking down my hair. I've only had this in my hair. It's still kind of wet actually. I just took a section from the back of my hair. It doesn't have to be perfect. The leave-in conditioner is not for hold. This is simply to moisturize my hair, so I'm not going to use that much. I am going to be a little heavy-handed with the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse because this is going to give me the hold, the shine, and the bounce that I need for tomorrow. Another reason why I'm using mousse is because it's a light product. It's not super heavy and it cuts back on drying time. Just to moisturize, this is to hold. Just about that much, really. You probably wouldn't even need this much. So don't really want to focus on my roots because your roots need love too, as I always say. You know, I should make that into a hashtag because I'm always saying that on my channel. Hashtag your roots need love too. So if that becomes a thing, just know that you heard it here first. And I'm gonna go ahead with the mousse. I do 1.5 pumps of that. Smooth that bad boy out. So I'm gonna take my perm set, and what I like to do is start kind of in the middle of my hair at the very end and just pull with my hair to go down. This is just gonna help guarantee smoothness. And then I'm gonna wrap the end of my hair just like that. And you wanna make sure that you wanna make sure it's as smooth as possible. And then I'm gonna start rolling up, rolling up, rolling up. Roll a little bit and then twist. Roll a little bit, and twist. Roll a little bit. And once you get to your roots, the thing about perm sets is that you always want to clip it closest to your scalp. So take this part. Voila. Nice and tight. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. So at this point, I started wetting my hair because it was easy to moisturize. I went in with some of the cream, but again, this is simply to moisturize, so I did not use that much. But you do want to use a little bit more of the mousse because that's going to give you the whole shine and bounce that you're looking for. So I went ahead and coated my hair from tips to roots, smoothed that out, and went ahead to apply my perm rod. So this is where the technique and the magic comes in. So you want to kind of run the rod down to create tension and again help your hair stay smooth. And I start off by rolling it, and then I twist, and then I roll it again, and then I twist. and I roll it up to my scalp. Now if you guys can twist it one more time, by all means do so, but if you can't, the key here is to just make sure that you clip it as close to your scalp as possible. That's going to help it stay tight, because if it's not tight, you're going to have to redo it like I did here. But it's really simple, guys. The two main things that you want to focus on when doing a perm rod set is that your hair is smooth and that you're clipping as close to your scalp as possible. Another tip I could give you guys is when you start to roll up your hair, try to overlap as much as possible, because it's going to make sure that the hair underneath stays nicely tight and wrapped and tucked, which is, you know, all what we want, so that when it comes down, it comes out in a spiral and there's minimal frizz and there's lots and lots of smoothness. And it's pretty much the same thing across your whole head, just making sure your hair is smooth, starting at the end, roll, twist, roll, and then clip closest to your scalp. So I'm just going to let you guys listen to some of the music that I have playing here for you all, show you a couple more times, and hopefully you all get the gist. So quick update, it is 1 a.m. I still have just one left to do, but the plan is I'm gonna sit under the dryer for at least 2 hours. So I should be out by like 3:45. I might even make it a full 3 hours just because I want to put no games with my hair tomorrow. I've been sitting under here for just about an hour, almost 2. And I've been nodding off because I'm tired. And I gotta be up early tomorrow. Alright guys, so I am back at home. It is like 6:30 or about to be 6:30. I have to be at the house by 7 because I have to be up at the assembly hall by 7:45. I sat in the dryer for like 2.5, 3 hours. So I'm just hoping and praying that it's dry. I'm really hurt if it's not. So let's just go ahead and get started. Do cry no more. And we won't have to cry no more. So that is the end of the video. These are my end results and I'm absolutely in love with them. You guys see the shine, the bounce, the moisture. Yeah, that's it. I hope you all I hope you all liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the family. And let me know what you guys want to see next here on my channel down below in the comment section. Bye guys, much love.